True or false? Your IT team is solely responsible for protecting your company from cyber threats. False. IT will do everything they can to secure your network, but even these unsung heroes can't mitigate every risk. The truth is, every member of the team who sits at a keyboard is one click away from compromising an organization's security. Scary, right? Phishing emails are getting more and more sophisticated, sent from a trusted internal source and with just the right sense of urgency to prompt immediate action. It has never been more important to train your entire team on how to stay vigilant and what to look for in a phishing email. We offer a half-day class that's full of real-world scenarios and tools that every single member of your team can use. Cybersecurity is a team sport, so get your whole team playing defense.